Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Unity Hub, the specific Unity editor, and Visual Studio with the Unity workload. Open Unity Hub and install your editor. Once installed, open Preferences and set the external script editor to Visual Studio. Then run the Visual Studio installer and add the game development with Unity workload plus C# support. This ensures project-level integration and the correct MS build tools. Make sure to include the Unity debugger and editor integration components before moving on. Once done, open your Unity project and double-click any C# script to verify it opens in Visual Studio. If files open elsewhere or IntelliSense fails, go to Unity Preferences External Tools and click Regenerate Project Files to rebuild SLN and CSproj files. Make sure Visual Studio has Visual Studio tools for Unity enabled. If IntelliSense still lags, close both apps and reopen the project so the editor and IDE re-establish their cache and symbol indexing. This fixes most mid-process integration issues. Finish by validating debugging. Set a breakpoint, start Unity Play mode, and in Visual Studio choose Debug Attach Unity Debugger. If it attaches and hits breakpoints, you are done. If not, check version compatibility and update Unity, Visual Studio, and NET SDKs to matching supported releases. As a final troubleshooting tip, close both programs, delete the project's library and VS folders to clear caches, then reopen Unity to regenerate files. This resolves stubborn sync and IntelliSense failures in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.